Hello, good day. This is the Wise Owl 2 coming at you from the sea where I live. I'm still making videos, as you probably know by now, where I combine medical terminology and abbreviations with chemical symbols and atomic numbers from the periodic table of elements. I discovered that you can study both of them at the same time. It all requires a lot of study and requires a lot of memorization, and it may be confusing in the beginning, but it becomes handy to be able to tackle both, to be able to tackle both subjects at the same time. Well, let's get started. Okay, this will help you out if you have to study this in school or just for study because you want to study it. We got Coccus. Okay, some people pronounce it Cockeye with an I. If it's more than one, like a plural, Cockeye with an I, but this has it looks like it's Coccus. Coccus means it means round in shape. And if you look at the bacteria like Streptococcus or strep throat or Staphylococcus, what you get from some danishes and donuts and cream and stuff like that. There's no bacteria. Staph. One is strap for the throat and one is staph. Staphylococcus and Streptococcus. And you'll get that. Now, coccus means round. So if whenever you see a name of a bacteria and then in the end you see the coccus sign right here, Coccus. Sometimes you have an I instead of a US. Cacai, it means round-shaped bacteria. Okay, so I took the C and the O, the capital C and the O, and I put 27, and that's for cobalt. Cobalt. Now you can find this down below in the description box. I have everything, all this written down again. And then I took the C, a capital C for carbon, and atomic number 6. And then I took the C and made it into a capital, this other C, and I put a small u, capital C and a small u for copper. And copper is 29 in the periodic table. It's the atomic number 29. And then I took the S, the capital S, see right there, and I put 16 atomic number for sulfur. Okay? Now, calc is another terminology, capital CALC, which means stone. And I took that, I took the C and I put a 6 for atomic number again. Carbon, 6 carbon. I took a capital AL, I took the A and I put into a capital A and a small L, and I put a 13 atomic number because capital A and small L is aluminum. It's aluminum. Then I took the other C and capitalized it and put a 6 again, like I did here for carbon, which is atomic number 6. Then I took Phon, 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 which means sound. It means sound. And I took the P and put a capital P and put a 15 atomic number, P for phosphorus. I took the H and I capitalized it, and I retained the small O next to it. Capital H, small O for Holmium, which is 67 atomic number. Holmium is spelled capital HOLMIUM. Okay? And I took the capital N for nitrogen and I put 7 atomic number. Then we got cryo, capital CRYO, which means cold. You ever watch a movie, a science fiction movie where they freeze you? And in the future, they look for a way to defreeze you, and if you have a disease, they can cure it. If you're frozen in 1 century, they can unfreeze you in the future and heal you with the remedy, with the cure. Remember that? When they freeze you in the cold ice? Remember that? That's cryo, means cold. Cryogenics. So it's cryo. So I took the capital C and a small r and put 24 for chromium. I capital Y, 39 atomic number for yttrium, which is YTTRIUM. Then I took the O, capital O, and I put an 8 for, of course, atomic number of oxygen. And there you go. All right? All this I'm going to write down in the periodic table below, and you understand, you'll see it better if it's written neater or typed neater. All right? This is Wise Out 2 coming at you from the sea where I live. Over and out.